हमारे बीच एक नवयुवक, एक साहित्य प्रेमी, जो कि एक पुस्तक को उसने अभी परचेस की है और उसका कुछ पार्ट पढ़ा है, वो उसके बारे में अपना कमेंट करना चाहता है। और चूंकि वो पुस्तक इंग्लिश में है तो वो बोल रहा है कि मैं इंग्लिश में कमेंट करूँगा। मैंने कहा मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि तुम्हें भी तुम्हारी भाषा में जवाब और प्रश्न दोनों कर सकूँ। सो वेलकम मिस्टर वंश। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल प्लीज इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ टू द ऑडियंसेस।
आई एम वंश पवार। मैं खजाना गणेश मंदिर के पास में मेरा निवास है और मैं अभी 9वीं कक्षा का छात्र हूँ। मैंने अभी सनातन द एटर्नल वे ऑफ लिविंग नाम की एक किताब खरीदी। ये मुझे देखकर ही अच्छी लग रही थी। मैंने इसके अभी कुछ पन्ने पढ़े हैं। इट इज़ अ बुक दैट स्ट्राइक्स द फैक्ट दैट हाउ वी मिसअंडरस्टूड सनातन। किस प्रकार से हम हर बार गलत समझ जाते हैं कि सनातन असली में है क्या। एक ऐसी किताब जो हमें सोचने पे मजबूर कर देती है कि क्या है सनातन। It tells us that how when we hear Sanatan we think of puja and temples, but in reality it is about true way of nature. Sanatan isn't just an eternal religion, it is an eternal way of nature. This book truly tells us the difference between religion and dharma, and it is a piece of art. I would really recommend this. Hats off to Anuj Rawal. It is truly a piece of art.
Wait. We are not going to leave you so easily. I will request you. I know you have just bought this book and you might not have finished the book, but would I like to read a paragraph from the book? I think audiences will like to hear because your voice is very, very exciting and we want to hear your voice. Your voice is very soothing to our ears. So can you?
I really like this paragraph where the text goes, the dharma of fire is to burn and give heat. The dharma of water is to flow and be wet. The dharma of a tree is to grow and give oxygen. So, Sanatan does not mean eternal religion. It means eternal natural way or the eternal law that supports everything. It is a guide to living our lives in a way that is in harmony with the laws of the universe. So we can be happy, healthy, and at peace. This book actually teaches a lot. I would truly recommend this.
Thank you once, and I think I will like to request everyone in this pandal to give him a big clap. I think the way he has communicated. Well done once, God bless you, and I think India is in a good hand. Our Gen Z is really, really different than from our nearby countries. I think I don't want to call them the countries because they are the part of the India. But well done once.